Hey YouTube, Marko with Marko Custom Built Models, coming to you with a kit review on the Land Rover Series 3 109 long wheelbase station wagon Land Rover. Saw this at the hobby shop. I also seen a kit review on it online a while ago, and I thought it'd be kind of a neat kit to pick up. I'm not a huge Land Rover guy, but I do have an old monogram Land Rover, and I've never seen anybody else have a kit like this, and I haven't put it together. It's still all in the box here, and it's the short wheelbase, so I thought it'd be kind of nice to have the long wheelbase to go with it, and I'll give you an idea what you could do with it. But anyway, I can do a kit review on this another day. I just wanted to show you this kit. It's not something I see a lot of or around lots, so it's the only one I've ever seen, and it's the one that I have. So let's get inside the box. I already cut the stickers here so I can open it up and see what we got inside. Okay, so how it's packaged, you got looks like a one-piece body here and some things inside. So looks like the body's okay. It survived shipping and all of that, so that's good. It's got some pretty thin A-pillars here, but it's a nice one-piece body. So roof is molded in. One thing you probably could do with something like this is cut it down and shorten it up. I'm not sure how different they are, but with some pictures and looking at the other kit that I have, it could be possible, but this one I'd probably build long. So nice body, nice detail. Inside this bag we got tires. And it looks like 5 of them. So there's one for a spare. Let's open up and take one out. It's got decent looking tread on it. Sidewalls are okay. Good tire there. Good tires. Alright, let's open it up here. See what we got in the trees. Oh, these you don't even have to cut. Perfect. Can even slide it all back together. Okay, so we got our transmission parts there and leaf springs, muffler, some more leaf springs and diff covers, steering wheel, drive shafts, front differential, looks like rear differential here, and it looks like the front wheels you can steer on this model. It's the back side and the front side. Okay. Here you got the main chassis, all one piece. Looks pretty rigid as well. Nice and strong. You got some seats here. And other suspension parts and interior parts, wipers, pedals, hoses. That's the back side. Okay. This is the glass. I don't want to open it up and scratch it up, but it's got all the windows and everything for the roof windows. All that's in here. Looks good. Open up the second bag here. Alright, we got the grill. Some looks like a couple mirror options, some headlight buckets. Just looks like 3 mirror options. That's pretty cool. Gives you also mirrors if you want to put on another model kit for kit bashing or something later on. That's good. I always like extra parts. There's the engine here. Looks like it might be a diesel. I'm not familiar with my Land Rovers, so if you know what that is, you could fill me in. Some suspension parts and pieces. There's some railing maybe. Probably roof railing, not suspension. Sorry, that's probably details for the roof. And there's a bumper. Looks like some more handrails, things like that for the roof. Looks like more railing again for the roof. Pretty cool. A lot of detail on this model. What's nice about Land Rovers, you can do all kinds of things. You can detail them up, detail them down. Looks like you have a couple of spare wheels. So you get 2 of them. And a roof panel that fits on there. Finishes it off. You have a fan, a battery, some wheel parts, and then of course the wheels themselves. Those are lovely. I love steel wheels on models, and they're open too, so you can see in the backside. It's nice for a good detail and look. It's very nice. Get into another bag here. Alright, we got the hood. Looks like a firewall piece. Windshield and some supports go in there. Very nice. These nice interior panels. Door panels. Looks like a rear panel. That's the back side. Not much to see there, but that's the detailed side. Show you the back side just in case. Sometimes it's nice to see both sides of the tree. This looks like the floor, seating area, another panel here, very nice detail, all the rivets and things. This will be a fun little build. Not much to really modify unless you want to do something crazy, but just something you can paint and put together. I bet you it's go together pretty nicely. What else do we got here? Another bag. A lot of seats in this model. Might have different seating options maybe. We got a bench seat here. Looks like you can build this left or right hand drive. That's cool. You got both dashes. And then this looks like the tunnel that might be for left or right hand drive for the interior panel as well. So that's kind of neat. So again, some seats and some things. There you go. I'm not sure what year this would be either, so if somebody knows, they could maybe comment below. I'm not sure if this is 60s, 70s. I mean, they built these right in, well, I mean, I think up until a few years ago, but of course they looked a little more modern, but in the headlights and stuff, but this might even be in the 90s. I don't know. Some other pieces here, rad hoses and things like that. Little air cleaner, looks like an air cleaner assembly. Fan shroud, radiator, front of the engine, oil pan, belt assembly. Very nice detail. What we got left in the box is some instructions that look very nice, full color. And, some decals here. I'll pick those up. So you got some license plate options. Looks like maybe for different countries and things like that. Some under the hood decals. And some other things, and detailed some Land Rover emblems. So that's pretty good for sort of utilitarian vehicle. That's all you need. So very nice instructions, very clear, easy to understand. So very nice. Different seat options. There's that left to right hand drive. So if you want to plan ahead, you can always mark down what steps you want to take and lay out the parts when you put that together. That's very cool. So anyway, yeah, there's the instructions. Maybe some places where the decals go and things like that. Perfect. Okay, nice thick manual. So this is, I think, a great kit if you're into Land Rovers and or even if you're into RC mini crawlers. I just wanted to sort of throw that idea out there. Here, let me show you what I was thinking and show you what the wheelbase is like. Over the years, I've picked up some 24th scale crawlers, and This one I did a video on upping the voltage, and I haven't really played with it since. I need to get out there and run it around and show everybody what it's like. This was the first one I did. It's a low C. I did a 72 truck for it, body, and it's got a GMC grill in it here and a Chevy tailgate, so I have to put the Chevy grill back in. Did some paint work on it, and the paint's been coming off, so I got to repaint it, but I've played with this quite a bit. It's got good articulation on the suspension. You know, I can't remember who makes this one, but I love it. It has leaf springs on it, so that was kind of neat. I still got to paint the body. I filled in the sunroof here. But what I'm getting at is I think this body would be a great body for possibly these remote control trucks. The wheelbase seems to be pretty good. I want to note that this wheelbase has different adjustments on it, so you could probably make that fit better. Or even the old low C, and I think there's another manufacturer that just brought one of these out. I don't know what the wheelbase is on those, but anyway, that could be an option. You could detail that up and make an RC car body for a realistic mini 124 scale crawler. That's not probably what I'm going to do with it, but I just wanted to throw that idea out there. So it's not just a model build-up. You could use it for that. Anyway, if you like this video, please subscribe and ring that bell for notifications. And thanks for watching, and have a great day.